Welcome back, cooks, to our hot cocoa cupcakes lesson. We'll go ahead and pour in our dry ingredients on the bowl on the left as we have our melted butter on the right. Let's pour in our 3/4 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. We also have our mix with our 1/4 cup of Starbucks hot cocoa mix, our 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and our half tablespoon of baking powder. Let's grab a whisk. We'll go ahead and slowly whisk all our dry ingredients up. Don't need a blender for this, you don't want to make a mess, but you do want to make sure you stir all these up, get them mixed well, and make sure you don't have any clumps. Once our dry ingredients are all blended, we'll set those to the side. In our bowl to the right, we have our 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter. We're going to go ahead and grab our egg. We'll crack that and drop that egg straight in. Before we blend all this up, we'll go ahead and actually grab our 1/3 cup of milk. We use unsweetened almond vanilla milk, but use whatever of your liking. We'll pour that in. And then we have our half tablespoon of Madagascar vanilla bean extract. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. Don't need much of this. This is really strong. So again, just a half tablespoon. We'll go ahead and pour that in as well. And we will combine them both, but we'll mix these up separate. So let's go ahead and we'll grab our whisk. And we'll go ahead and slowly stir up our wet ingredients. Just want to make sure they're blended well. You'll see a consistent color once all that extract and the egg is all mixed in. And once we're done, we'll go ahead and we'll mix this into our dry ingredients bowl. We like to actually pour this in the middle. This way you don't get wetness all on the sides, and then you can use your spatula to fold in the dry ingredients into the center of the bowl. We'll go ahead and scrape all the wet ingredients off the side of the bowl here, and then we'll actually take a live close listen in as we're going to just slowly fold the ingredients for them to blend to get the perfect consistency. And there it is, cooks. It doesn't take much, just a couple of folds, and you have a nice consistency like this. You can take your spatula and it should fall off slowly, but have a little thickness to it. You don't want to over mix this, but you want to make sure all the dry and wet ingredients are mixed together. Again, this is a shot of our hot cocoa mix we use. You can use any kind you like, but we had this in the cabinet, so we decided let's make some cupcakes. We'll go ahead and line our muffin pan with cupcake liners so we don't make a mess. We'll fill them up halfway, then add in our 1/4 cup bacon chips, and then we'll fill it up the rest. We'll go ahead and speed this video up in some areas so you can take a look. And that's it, cooks. We'll place these in the oven at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Once your timer goes off, remove your cupcakes and let them cool in the muffin tin for up to 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to fully cool. At this point, you can eat them plain or frost them up. Of course, we support however you choose to jazz your cupcakes up, but we chose to frost and share just how fluffy they turned out. We hope you enjoyed them, and again, thanks for baking with B&T.